Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Olga and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
It's been a very clear night across the region, and our winds have dialed back to about 2 to 5 miles per hour, and that's setting us up for a very cold night tonight. Temperatures have dropped significantly over the last 4 hours. Although it's clear now, we'll get a few passing clouds from time to time tonight, but temperatures are a bit chilly now. 54 for Decatur across the board. We're seeing mainly those winds out of the east and the northeast, but again, not too brisk. We will continue to see a mix of clouds and clear sky overnight tonight as the temperatures bottom out. For right now, though, we're feeling pretty good. 56 in Huntsville, the city center, a little bit warmer, but we'll actually see a bit of a chill if you're that early riser tomorrow morning. Quiet on our Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. That's because the low pressure system is way off toward our east. You can see it's spinning up a lot of rain through Kansas and in toward the Intermountain West, Denver, and northern portions of Albuquerque. The low pressure system is still sitting in that region. It's going to dive down to the south and then make a track up and across our region and head into the New England states. And as it does so, it's going to bring us some rain over the weekend. 71, the official high for today. Not too far off the mark for this time of year, but we will have a couple of cool mornings for the next couple of days before things start to shift. So partly cloudy overnight tonight, mainly winds out of the east, but fairly light. And as we head into tomorrow, we'll start the day with a mix of sun and clouds, but sunshine will prevail through most of the day on Friday. That's going to make our temperatures much warmer than today. We'll get out of those lower 70s. We should hit the middle 70s by tomorrow afternoon, but then late in the day, those clouds will start to move in. That's a sign that we are setting up for that weekend rain. It will be overcast on both Saturday and Sunday. So here's what you need to know about our rain chances, mainly Saturday afternoon and evening. So rain chances are predominantly overnight from Saturday night into Sunday morning, and portions of the day on Sunday will be a little bit wet. As we move into the afternoon and evening on Sunday, we should start to clear out. So let's time it out with our future radar. It's one of our forecast models, and for the most part, it is keeping a very nice afternoon for tomorrow. If you're heading out to one of the football games, the clouds will be here by about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, but not the rain. We're going to hold off on that until we get into the Saturday forecast. Saturday starts off cloudy but dry, but rain begins to creep in as early as 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock for some of our western counties. But most of us hold off on the bulk of that rain till almost 8 o'clock on Saturday night. It will rain off and on throughout the night and even those early morning hours before we start to clear out and dry out by Sunday afternoon. Rain opportunities for most of us will be about ½ an inch. There are a few pockets of areas, though, that could see up to 1 inch of rain. The 7-day forecast is going to stay on the mild side both Friday and Saturday, but as that front moves through and behind it, temperatures hold in the 60s throughout Monday and Tuesday. We're barely 70 degrees, but at least we are going to be dry on Monday for Halloween. Stay with us. We'll be right back.